Wait, did I just discover the secret to YouTube virality? What if AI could create a viral video for me? Choosing the idea, scripting it, editing, and even making a thumbnail. Would it actually work? Or would it completely fail? Today, I'm putting AI to the ultimate test. I gave it one challenge: make me a viral YouTube video. The results? Shocking. Welcome to Hasnain Tech Automation, where we push AI to its limits. Buckle up, because this is about to get crazy. So, step 1. I asked an AI to generate a viral YouTube idea. After analyzing millions of trends, it suggested, the AI that can read your mind. How is this possible? Not bad, but will it actually work? Next, I asked AI to write the script. And in just seconds, it generated a complete 10-minute story with suspense comedy and cliffhangers. Then I moved to voiceover, but instead of hiring someone, I let an AI do it. And honestly, it sounded just like a real human. But here's where things got wild. For the first time ever, I used AI to fully edit the video. It cut scenes, added transitions, and even matched the visuals to the script. And you won't believe this, AI even made its own thumbnail. Now, the real question, will this AI-generated video actually go viral? I uploaded the video, and within an hour, it got 0 views. Then, suddenly, boom, AI strategy started working. Click-through rates shot up, and within 24 hours, the video had thousands of views. But here's the shocking part. The AI-made thumbnail was performing better than the one I created myself. Could this be the future of YouTube? AI making content faster, better, and more viral than humans? Or is there still something AI can't do? So, does AI have the power to make anyone a YouTube star? Maybe, but there's still one thing AI can't do: your creativity. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you let AI make your next video? Let me know in the comments. And if you love experiments like this, make sure to subscribe to Hasnain Tech Automation, because we're just getting started.